My name is Robert Asselmeier, and I am a woodworker. My art is based on saving and preserving the spirit energy of the life of a tree. I do that through sculpture and wood turning of vessels. It can be vases, bowls, plates, things like that. I believe that these trees throughout their life, their existence in these locations, they absorb and take on the energy of their surroundings. And if I can save just even one aspect of that tree, I feel like that energy resides even still in that one piece, and it lives on within my work. Everything that I work with is taken from the forest floor. So it's a very sustainable woodworking. So no living trees are cut down. Things aren't cut off of living trees. I literally go out in the forest and in areas and look for trees that have already fallen. A lot of people ask me how I can look at a tree and see what's going on inside of it. Like, why did you decide to save that piece? I believe that my background in 3D special effects animation, doing like volumetric stuff, being able to see what's going on inside of fire and smoke, but then also recreating wood, grain and wood texture for video has, I believe in some way, given me this ability to see what's going on within a volume of a tree. It all starts with spending time in nature, looking for something that has already fallen or is about to fall, and then deciding what elements of that tree would best represent its existence. At that point, it comes back to my shop, and then is further refined down to extract like the element of that tree that I saw. At that point, it's moved into different stages of storage. So it takes a long time for these pieces to dry, sometimes 2-3 years from the point that I actually find them and collect them to getting them on the lathe and being able to turn something or sculpt or carve something. So it's definitely not an art for instant gratification whatsoever. I want people to feel the energy of the pieces when they're held in their hands. And my pieces connect with the person that they're meant to go to. I pretty much hugged every person that has taken one of my pieces. I don't sell them online. I have such a strong attachment to the trees that I save that I want to know who they're going with. One of the things that I find so beautiful about this is these are pieces that are going to be handed down through generations.